Hey guys, I am filming from the office today, and this is not the usual video, I know, but I'm behind the camera so you can't see me right now, sorry for that. Hey, look at this rain. Don't know if you'll be able to see that on camera because I'm filming through the closed window, which needs a clean. But anyway, I thought I'd film here in the office because the living room has a much bigger window, which makes it a lot lighter, but the TV is on there and it's not so easy to hear the rain. Can you hear that rain? I can hear it with my hearing aids in. I won't open the window because I have ornaments on the windowsill which will get knocked off if I open it. Because these windows are stupid and they open inwards. Now where's this thunder come? There was some thunder lurking around. I heard quite the reasonable clap of thunder before I picked up the SD card and rushed to get the camera, but no, I hear no thunder. Sorry guys. Not much of a view out here, by the way. There's bins and a car park out here, and a building over there around the back of this block of flats. Don't you just love hearing the sound of rain? It's so relaxing. Well, I find it relaxing anyway. Though I find the sound of rain on the old timber frame windows, I find that to be quite special. Different than what you get on these plastic framed windows that we have now. Quite the downpour actually. I think I better go get changed before I head out for church this evening, because right now I am wearing a long dress and a sweater, but I think I better go put some trousers on and a coat, because otherwise I am going to get soaked. Oh yeah, and I better put my boots on as well rather than my shoes, because, well, there are likely to be puddles on the ground. It sounds quite heavy rain, but for all I know it might well not be. Anyway, this might well be a pointless video, but if you want to see more of these, then just feel free to say so. Or if not, well, feel free to tell me that too. Is it me, or has that rain just got heavier? Oh wait, that would also probably be a leak from a pipe of some sort that is directly above this apartment. Then I normally hear that from the bedroom next door, not here in the office / spare room. Anyway, I'll see all of you guys in another video.